Although I told you all, roti is not my ministry as a Jamaican girl. Uno still ask for the recipe of how I make it. So come, let me show you. I added about 3.5 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Everything was not measured, so look with your eyes and estimate the amount of stuff that I use. Now, as I said, this is not my ministry. I'm a student learning how to make roti. So don't think that I am the expert in roti. You need to go follow the Trinidadians and the Guyanese of how them do them roti, because I'm a student doing this. Now I added warm water and some olive oil. The roti expert said use ghee if you can find ghee, use butter, but then said olive oil is not the best thing to use. Use warm water and you mix it up into a dough, a soft dough, not too stiff, because somebody said my dough they look too stiff. Then you're gonna let it rest. Again, the roti expert said the longer it's resting, the softer the roti will be. Now go check out the previous video of how I did my roti and also go through the comments. You'll see all of the tips and the recommendations by the roti experts. Bye!